In the beginning, there were crayons. And then...
When I was little, I used to spend so much of my time doing art. One time, my mom got so fed up with me with the amount of paper that I was using that for Christmas she got me a whole ream of paper and told me that that had to last me the entire year. But now when I make art, I look like this. Digital art is great, especially for someone like me who has very little raw, natural, artistic talent. I can kind of just sit in front of this desk and listen to a podcast or music, and if I sit here and wait long enough, a decent looking piece of art will emerge. But there is something really rewarding about making art in real life that I guess I just haven't done for a while. And since I've still got all these art supplies, I think I'll make something.
One of the most common artistic motifs of mine is maps. I can't ever seem to get tired of drawing maps. So I think that's what I'll do today. And since I was there just a few weeks ago, I think I'll make a map of Italy. By far my favorite resource for map inspiration is David Rumsey's Map Collection, a digital archive that has thousands of old maps downloadable for free in extraordinarily high resolution. Even if I'm doing a fictional map, it can be really useful to start with the rough shape of a real landmass and then edit it until it looks right for whatever I want to make. For this project, I'm going to use this 1798 map of the Italian peninsula. Because I'm starting with an existing map, the first step is to trace over said map in pencil. One of the reasons I love using these old historic maps as opposed to just screenshotting Google Maps or something is that they are packed with so much more detail. As you zoom out on Google Maps, it simplifies everything to make the screen less busy, but that is not how they used to do it. Because it's so detailed though, the tracing step took over an hour. The rest of the process is just me trying out whatever ideas come to mind and hoping that it looks good. I don't want to make the map too busy, but I also feel like I need to at least try and live up to the stunning detail on the original historic map to a certain degree. Alright, so I'm very happy with how this turned out. I think it looks great. I used a lot of paint on this one. I was not expecting that going in, but I saw like an image online that had the Italian flag kind of presented like this with the different, I guess, provinces of Italy dividing up the colors. And I really like that, so I thought I would do that. And I bet you can't guess where I'm going next. I'll leave that for you to figure out. Anyway, yeah, that's about it. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.